Hashmi, #1 marketplace for sexual products since 1929.
Hashmi Slim XL is a 100% herbal, no side effect solution to lose that extra weight. I used to diet like crazy, but then one of my friends from Dubai told me about Hashmi Slim XL. It took me around 90 days to come from about 107 kilograms to 58 kilograms. 15 minutes of relaxing evening walks plus normal low-carb diet plus Hashmi Slim XL is equal to a waist size that every guy loves and every girl envies.
Just around a year back, I couldn't wear any beachwear. Studies, a part-time job, and the junk food and coffee that came with that just made me feel so fat, not to even fit in any of my jeans. And then I found out about Hashmi's Slim XL. Within 90 days, with no major diet changes, I could achieve this figure. My love handles are gone. I'm going for a beach party right now. So see you later. Until then, order your Slim XL.
Your order. Hashmi, www.hashmi.com